to you this. Iran just ordered the closure of Hormuz. This single move could shake the entire crypto market in the coming days. The Strait of Hormuz carries nearly 20% of global oil supply. So if the price and if this for weeks, it could create a surge in oil supply, in oil price. So if oil price increases globally, it will definitely give birth to higher inflation rate, of which will put pressure on central banks like Federal Reserve, European Central Bank, and Bank of England to delay interest rate cuts. But here is how everything will happen under the hood. Here is how it will affect Bitcoin. Remember, and let us be very careful, let us know this: higher inflation gives birth to higher interest rate expectation, and on the other hand, tighter liquidity. Bitcoin is built around liquidity, and Bitcoin thrives on liquidity. So when liquidity becomes tightened, what happens is that risk assets often face pressure. So as the closure lasts for months or more, what will likely happen and what we should be seeing would be an increased volatility and potential downward movement of Bitcoin in a short term. And also, here is another possibility, here is another thing that would likely happen if the price of Bitcoin is not affected negatively. So if the war and if the issue escalates and global market panic, central bank may inject liquidity into the market to stabilize the system. And once this is injected into the market, the price of Bitcoin would also be stabilized and would also be prevented or stopped from surging or maybe going down in price. So that is the details of the update. So I want you to be updated, do your own research about this, and see you in the future video. Bye.